The wheat harvest is complete, and the last load has been hauled to town. Because the bins are full, it was dropped off at the elevator and placed on the ground pile. Lauren finished cutting the last 2 days alone using only one machine, since Grandpa had to work on the sprayer. The boom broke while Grandpa was spraying in front of Sean, who was drilling. Since Sean was close to catching up, he paused his drilling to help repair the sprayer. It took 2 days to remove the damaged parts of the boom and replace them with new pieces. This delay set Sean back by 2 days, preventing him from getting much more done on the drilling. To repair the boom, they inserted a smaller square tube inside the original one to reconnect the outer tube. A diamond-shaped section was cut into the outer tube to allow them to weld the inner tube in place, reinforcing the boom. Once the boom was ready to be reattached to the sprayer, a nearby neighbor came with a tractor to help hold the boom level. While they slid the 3 spliced sections back together, it was always a relief to have neighbors willing to lend a hand. Additionally, the crane they used was borrowed from another neighbor, making the job much easier. The wind was a constant challenge, blowing the welding gas away and making it difficult to achieve a good weld. Once the boom was welded enough to fold it up and move, they moved it into a shed to finish welding the braces. After Grandpa sprayed for a couple of days to get ahead of Sean's drilling, he cleaned off the repaired area and painted it.